Hello children. Today I am going to speak about a bird called parrot. Parrot is a very beautiful and intelligent bird. It has green feathers, red beak and two legs. Some species of parrot are excellent speakers. Parrots can be used as a domestic pets. Parrots eats fruits, birds, guavas and chilies. Parrots are found in different colors. So children, which bird likes guavas and chilies? Parrot likes guavas and chilies. Very good. Once again, which bird likes guavas and chilies? Parrot likes guavas and chilies. Very good. Once again children, which bird likes guavas and chilies? Parrot likes guavas and chilies. Thank you.